Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring a sentiment from the Humming Along stamp set, as well as a whole bunch of different products from the Floral Romance suite. So I have the Floral Romance seals, the frosted flower embellishments, the Floral Romance Designer Series paper, and even the Petal Pink Whisper White 5/8 variegated ribbon. So here are two pieces of the Floral Romance Designer Series paper, and they are cut down consecutively. I think one is 5 1/4 by 4, and the next one is 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. And I've layered them together and put them on my Whisper White thick card base. Now, because I have a big shot, I'm using these 2 circle dies. However, if all you have is a punch, then use a punch. I've cut out these 2 circles, one with Whisper White and then one with the Floral Romance Vellum, which is just a beautiful vellum, actually. And it's going to be more my focal piece. Now, I also die cut a stitched rectangle, but you can use a little strip of Whisper White paper instead. You don't have to go all fancy. I just use the tools that I have. So this is Fresh Fig ink, and I have put a ton of dimensionals on the back, and then I've actually doubled up on one side because that circle has already one layer of dimensionals on it. So really, when you look at this card, all it is paper, layering paper, and the only thing that's stamped is the sentiment, which says, "Wishing you an amazing birthday." All right, so went off screen and made a bow, and now I'm adhering one of the gold romance seals, and I noticed mine wasn't very sticky. So I just put some glue dots on behind that. And then here are my frosted flower embellishments. And that is my card for today. Have a great day, you guys. I'll see you again on Wednesday. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.